Hey guys! Hey, what's up? Oh my god. What happened to your teeth? A whitening? Really? Yeah, what do you think? I think I should look at them. Come on, seriously. Really white. Yeah, what was wrong with your old human teeth? I did leave the gel on a little longer than you said to. How much longer? A day? Hey Ross, you know what? Tonight is date with your Hillary. I know, that's why I did it. Come on, are they really that bad? No, you'll be fine. Hillary's blind, right? She'll be after night. Hey, Rach, do you notice anything? Yeah, your teeth. I saw your teeth from outside.